Okay, game. Number 30. Number 30. No good. Nakuha ulit. Yung bago nyo po. Number 30 try again, pero same result. Oy, ang lakas naman talaga ayon. JL, pinasa kay Borja. Borja, nice screen with ayon. Borja, no good. Pero last touch, same ball. For them to shoot. Car. No good. Okay, number 11. Ang ganda nun, pero wala. JL, munti ka na. JL to Borja. Borja, slice and good. Score 23-22. 15 seconds, number 30, no good. Nakuha niyo number 20, nasa kay number 30 at number 11, no good. Rebound by number 58, pinasa kay Borja. To number 58.
Omar, pwede bang ikaw muna mag-video? Ay, napapagod ka.
Okay, number 10. No good, nakuha ni Carl. To Borja. Isusurbol na ba ito? No good. Natakot, baka mapitas. Number 11, no good. Nakuha ni number 30. Wala pa rin. Simula kanina ang alam ko ng goal team. Score 23-24. Lamang ng isang team Meralco. Okay, 2 points by Borja. Score 25-24. Seconds to shoot. Wala po tayong first ball set. Okay, 2 points. Score 27-24. Number 30. 3 points by number 30.
Grabe talaga ako ngayon.
Number 58, first try is good. 2 points by number 58. Score 29-27. Okay, 2 points. Score 0-29. Okay, JF. 8 seconds to shoot, number 58. Binaligay JF. JF, 3 points. Score 32-29.
Sila mo? Sila, ano siya?
Lamang po ng tatlo ang Team Unify. Ayon, nice big. Pinasa kay JF. JF na good. Number 11, no good. Number 11. Number 11. Grabe. Okay, backward. Backward violation. Two points by Borja. Score 34-29. No good. Number 11. Number 10, no good. Nakunin number 58. Number 58, kung ine-diretso. Uy, tumama sa paa. Number 13 is 2, scored 34-31.
34-34.
Lamang na tatlo ang team unified. 14 to shoot. Steve by number 10.
Dulas yan, pre. Kabandang baba.
Number 11 to nice play. No good.
Nice cut.
Nice pass. Score 34-33. Na-anticipate. Three points by JF. Score 37-33. No good. Twelve seconds to shoot. To JM. JM try again. No good. Number 30. Number 30. Surveying the floor. To Mira. Stop and no good. Number 11. Okay, number 13 to number. Okay, munti ka na out of bounds. Okay, no good. Two points. Score 37-35. Two minutes, 58 seconds. No good. Okay, foul muna. Foul. Rinig na rinig yun. Oras, 2 minutes, 40 seconds. No good. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11, easy to score. Oh, 37. 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Pagandong-gandong na nabawasan ang bola. No good. Ayaw na ba't tumira din ang Team Unified. No good. JL. Pinasa kay number 58. Number 58. Bumomba pero nawala ang bola. Foul. 1 minute, 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. Score all 37 pa rin, ha? Okay, wait. Not counted. Wait lang po, traveling.
Traveling siya.
Boss. Wait, boss. Wait lang, papaliwanag ko lang po. Kasi nilabas na po doon, tapos nilabas nyo doon. Mamimili kayo, traveling or out of bounds.
Okay.
Okay, game. Once po na nabas na, isang labasan na. Okay. Okay, number 58. Pinasa kay JM. JM, binabantayan. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 58, kunti ka na. Mukhang eto na dahil mga Meralco, lumamang na nga. 1 minute, 1 second, 37-39. Okay, foul. Free throw po, dalawa. 2 free throws. Lahat po ng foul ngayon sa last 1 minute. Meron na pong free throw. First shot is good. Score 38-39. Second shot is good. Score all 39. 52 seconds remaining. Both teams may tatlong timeout pa. Number 30. Pinasa kay number 10. Ang ganda mo kami number 10. Okay, 2 points. 39.5 seconds. Lamang ng dalawang team Meralco. Last 30 seconds, 12 to shoot. 3. Lamang po ng isa ang Team Unified. 24 seconds remaining. Last 20 seconds. Number 30 libre. No good na kung iron. Last 10 seconds. 9 seconds. 5 seconds.
Foul na to, foul. Foul? Tapos na.
Game
Okay
ball.
na? Game ball? Hindi na foul.